Here we have lot 839. This vehicle is a finance repossession, 9th month 17 complied, February 17 built, Audi R8 Plus, finished in a coupe, sporting a 5.2 litre V10 engine with a power output of 449 kilowatts, 560 newton meters of torque, capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds. This vehicle has had some Audi services done at 71, 4,000, 100, 4,000, 800 and 8,300k services at Audi. This vehicle is delivered new at Audi Penfold Burwood, based in Melbourne. It comes with a current roadworthy certificate. It has an array of options featuring 20-inch alloy wheels, virtual cockpit, just to name a few. If you're after more information, condition reports and photos, visit our website at pickles.com.au.